First, let's talk about why retention policies are important. Over time, your Business Central database can accumulate thousands of outdated records, sales documents, log entries, or archive data that you no longer need. This can slow down performance and create compliance risks. With retention policies, you can automatically clean up all records, keeping your system lean, fast, and compliant. Next, let's look at how to define a retention policy. From the search bar, type retention policies. Here, you can create a new policy and select the type of data it applies to. For example, posted sales invoices or change log entries. This defines the scope, so Business Central knows exactly which records to manage. Once you have defined the scope, the next step is to set the rules. Here, you specify how long the system should keep the records. For example, 12, 24, or 36 months. When that retention period expires, Business Central will automatically delete the data, keeping your database clean and your system running efficiently. This flexibility ensures you comply with regulations while still preserving the insights you need. Finally, you can automate retention policies with a job queue, so they run in the background on a schedule. Business Central handles everything for you, and you can review logs anytime to see what's being deleted or minimized. This way, data management happens continuously without manual effort.